Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative x, we can put into negative 3x plus 2x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 2. Next, x minus number 3 and x minus number 3, we can do about factorization. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over x plus number 2 and b over x minus number 3. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about x minus number 3. So capital A multiplied by x minus number 3. About this one, it is missing about x plus number 2. So capital B multiplied by x plus number 2. Next, we need to expand this one. And we have 8x minus 3x. And this one, we have bx plus 2b. Now, we have x and x. We can do about factorization. Next, we need to compare coefficient. About this one, we have number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. About this one equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So 8 equals to 1 over 5 and B equals to 4 over 5. So we put A and B go back in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.